I've been doing interior design for many years, and originally the way it started was I started designing my own furniture that were going into the projects that we did. And little by little, we turned that into a business of licensing where I designed products for other companies. And I was introduced to Walker Zanger, and we decided to create a collection together. The coolest aspect of doing this collection for Walker Zanger was the fact that they were so receptive to the ideas. I worked very closely with Jared Becker from Walker Zanger, and we developed a collection called Studio Moderne. It's a ceramic tile and stone collection inspired by American modernism. And this new collection that we introduced is sort of a sequel to the original Studio Moderne collection. And the new collection I'm really excited about because we were able to put in the passion that I have for the era of mid-century modernism from like the 1950s through the 1960s, and a lot of the tile reflects that inspiration. A lot of the profiles that we designed for Walker Zanger are really unique because each tile individually creates its own style. I love the scale of the products that we designed. We have overscaled marble tiles that are really beautiful. They're dimensional. They've been water jetted so that they have this beautiful texture to them. These tiles all have a lot of really beautiful highs and lows to them, and we've done them with a combination of marbles. There's steel gray and celeste blue marble and white Calicut. I think Walker Zanger is on the forefront of innovation in terms of the luxury tile industry. And I'm really excited about this whole collection that we were able to just launch and use for the Palm Springs Modernism Showcase House.